FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So today is FOMC interest rate day for the US, which should be a very volatile day for all the US dollar pairs, and probably all the yen pairs and Swiss pairs, and a lot of other pairs also. I will be live streaming today for the news event at the news on YouTube, so definitely make sure you stop in and check out that for my latest analysis on all your favorite pairs. But anyways, it definitely looks like an uptrend here, doesn't it? It looks like a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3. I really don't even see the wave 3 is over. Like I've been explaining these last few days, a wave 3 can go way beyond the 161.8. I've seen wave 3s go to 261.8 and beyond. So it definitely doesn't have to stop here. It could easily just keep on stretching out. At some point, it is definitely going to have to make a corrective wave 4 and another push up for wave 5, but it definitely does not have to do it now. So going down to the weekly time frame, on the weekly time frame, it definitely looks like a wave 1, a wave 2, and then this is all subdivisions of the wave 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 3 is definitely what it looks like. So I definitely still think we're in a wave 3, and like I said, the wave 3 can extend way beyond what you expect a wave 3 to extend to. Going down to the daily time frame, even on the daily, it looks like the end of a wave 4, and then it looks like the wave 5 has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in it. So it definitely looks like we can make out the subdivisions all the way down to the trend within the wave 5. And the fact that we passed this 61.8 tells me that there's a really good chance that we'll go up to the next Fibonacci level. The next Fibonacci level is the 78.6, which is right around the 2620 area. So I'm definitely still very bullish on gold overall. I still don't see any signs of this uptrend being over. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, we did kind of break down a little bit, but I would expect this move down to likely be a crutch into this move up right here. I think there's a pretty good chance it's going to make some sort of a three-way pattern down, probably bounce off a Fib level, and probably make its way up to that next Fibonacci level that I was showing you on the daily time frame. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this push down right here. And this push down is a little overlapping, but it does kind of seem like it's more like a trend. Could possibly be like a wave A. This kind of seems like it would be likely a wave B, and that it probably would go down again for a wave C. Maybe we test this Fibonacci level. Now, fundamentally, you would expect today's news to be negative for the dollar because lower interest rates are usually negative for the dollar, and that would cause pairs like gold and all these other pairs to go up. But unfortunately, fundamentals almost never line up with what you actually see on the chart, at least in the short term. So I'm starting to wonder about what the news is really going to do. I mean, I think we need to see another push down. So if this looks like this at the news, then I would definitely expect to see a push down. And then maybe not even today, maybe tomorrow, maybe later on in the week or even next week is when we'll actually get the end of a correction and the continuation of the uptrend. Definitely be careful and definitely stop in for my YouTube live stream today because I will be giving you my latest update on what I believe is going to happen prior to the news coming out on all your favorite pairs. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.